To create a cash flow report from the historical dataset using a random forest model in Python, we'll need to perform several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Data preparation. First, we need to prepare and clean the data from various sources, ensuring it's merged correctly for the analysis. We'll focus on the following data sets: customer orders, purchase orders, production orders, engineering orders, cash flow. 2. Data merging. We'll merge these datasets based on common keys, primarily order ID or production order ID, to consolidate the data into a single data frame that can be used for analysis. 3. Feature engineering. Create features that will be useful for the random forest model. For example, we might include order amount, payment terms, lead times, production costs, engineering costs, cash flow amount. 4. Model training. We'll use the random forest model to predict cash flow or other relevant outcomes. In this context, we might use random forest to predict whether payments will be made on time or to forecast cash flow amounts. 5. Generating reports and graphs. Using the trained model, we can generate various reports and visualizations, including cash flow predictions and feature importances. Python code. Here's an example of how to implement this in Python. The bar chart titled Feature Importances. It shows the relative importance of different features in a dataset, with each feature represented by a horizontal bar. The length of each bar indicates its importance score. Here's a detailed breakdown. X-axis, labeled importance, ranging from 0.00 to 0.35. Y-axis, lists the features being analyzed. Features and their importance scores. 1. Payment terms _ 90 days. This feature has the highest importance score, slightly above 0.30. 2. Lead time _ 90. The second most important feature, with a score just under 0.25. 3. Engineering cost. This feature has a moderate importance score. 4. Production cost. Slightly less important than engineering cost. 5. Order priority _ medium. Lower importance score compared to the above features. 6. Payment terms _ cash. This feature has the lowest importance score among the listed features. Interpretation. The chart provides insights into which factors are most influential in a model or analysis related to payment terms and production aspects of a business or process. For instance, payment terms _ 90 days is the most critical feature, indicating it has a significant impact on the outcome being analyzed. Thank you.